Welcome. Today's how-to video is going to be how to change your engine air filter. Today we're going to be putting a K&N air filter inside. What you're going to need is a new air filter and a Phillips screwdriver. You could also use a flathead if you don't have it, but I prefer using a Phillips because it slips less. So right here we have your engine air cleaner box. And inside this box is your air filter, and there's 4 bolts that hold down the engine air filter box to give it proper seal. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to unscrew it. So your 4 bolts are located, one right there, another one right here, one right there, and your last one right here underneath your hood opening sensor. And then to take them out, all you gotta do is put your Phillips inside, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Just go ahead, unscrew, and you're gonna do that for all 4 bolts. Now don't worry, you can't back it out too far because they have stops on them. So you could just go ahead and twist, and then once you start feeling it's real easy and twist and just twirls, that's when you know you backed out the screw the whole way. Now once you have all 4 out, it's time to move the box. So now I suggest using 2 hands, but you can use one to move this. It's a little tight in here with the diesel, so it takes a little finessing, but just got to make sure all your screws are undone. If you're getting a hard time, never force anything, and boom, you got it. So this one has 30,000 miles on it with a little bit of off-roading. Doesn't look too bad. Check the engine box, make sure there's no large debris inside. Just got a little light dust. We're out here in the wilderness, so I don't have a vacuum with me. Otherwise, I'll just take a vacuum out and vacuum up the inside, make it nice and clean. But for now, we're going to just install it like this. So I like the K&N air filter because it's reusable. Clean it every 10,000 miles when you do an oil change. Re-oil it, and it's going to last you for the life of your vehicle. Never want to throw trash away, so I'm going to pick everything up. I don't want the plastic bags to blow away. So, and it's as simple as it drops right back in. And now the air filter is in. We just do the reverse process. I found holding the bolts up because I've checked this filter before every 10,000 miles. Lift up the bolts to finesse the air box in. Now, as I always say, I never think an engineer and design things, think about the maintenance aspect. So once we have all the bolts lined up for the holes, we got it nice and tight, take the screwdriver and just screw it right back in all 4 spots. Something that you could do with any household tool set that you have. Just need a screwdriver, and you can save yourself a lot of time and money at the dealership. So that's it. Air filter is replaced. So I hope you guys found this video helpful for when you want to change one. Remember, always pick up your trash, especially when you're out in the wilderness. Leave the place looking better than you found it. So till next time, be safe out there. Keep your maintenance up on your vehicle, and it'll never let you down. Talk to you guys later. Bye.